Now, another great thing with this is if we go to our music, I'll just turn that down actually, but if you look at the bottom there, hopefully you'll be able to see, but there's a silver triangle and 3 silver circles. If we just click on that, sorry, Mars bar fingers, there you go, you see Land Rover Discovery, there's a tick next to it. So anything that plays, any music that plays on here will play through the system. So it's playing here, I've got it turned down. We go over to here, you'll see the like clapperboard and the music note. If I click on there, at the moment it's playing on radio, but you see source up at the top, click on source, and there you go. So I've now selected my phone, and then when I turn this up, there you go. That's the music from my phone playing through here, and that'll work on Spotify, Amazon Prime, any soundtrack on a YouTube video, or any audio that's coming, Audible, audio books, whatever. That's how it'll work.